Welcome to VCF Virtual Client Folder Document Management Solution, your complete document solution. The system allows you to store documents, manage, retrieve, manipulate, exchange, and communicate documents with ease. The PaperClip repository can be accessed from multiple applications and locations. Documents can be stored in their original digital format, effortlessly transforming a traditionally paper-based process into a paperless one. VCF is a true cloud-born solution easily accessible via the internet and through a browser like Chrome. Each user will have credentials to log in. Once logged in, the user will see the desktop, where the drawer, folders, and documents are displayed. When a folder is selected, it is highlighted and the documents appear below. Various operations can be performed from the folder or document icons or from the context menu, the ellipses, or the ... prior to each folder or document. Easily edit properties, copy and paste, and add another like this. Adding a folder can be done manually or via integrations with various agency management systems. Adding documents can be done individually or via a feature called batch capture, allowing you to capture a batch and then separating it within the system into the appropriate folder or multiple folders. There is the simple drag and drop from a folder or an email attachment right into the system, but also other options exist like a file open browse or a direct scan into the system. In addition, PaperClip provides a printer driver and the ability to print directly into VCF, as well as a temporary storage area called drop files. Drop files allows you to drop in all of your files at one time and then later file them in the appropriate folder. Great way to check your emails all at once, bring in your documents, and then file them accordingly. The document can be edited to reorder the pages, page orientation, adding and deleting pages, printing and saving, and even annotating with a text box or signature stamp for good order and submission. With our Microsoft integration, users can email out of the system the entire document from the desktop or pages within the document. In the life insurance and financial industries, easily click and send to a carrier or third party via Internet Express, our Federal Express over the Internet, and have real-time document tracking right at the desktop. VCF's search and find capabilities are exceptional, as you can search and find folders and documents with ease due to the structure of the system, having various metadata fields that you can search against. At the folder level, search and save those queries you're constantly referring back to via advanced search, or quickly find a folder by just typing in that name. Find Documents truly allows you to be granular in a search by folder or document fields. Again, searches can be saved and will appear on a list from the desktop for easy access. PaperClip has great research, quick view type tools from a light viewer with view-only capabilities, a quick view mode to see all documents at once, and an indication of what documents have been opened and viewed right from the desktop. And finally, each user can have their own unique view of color background schemes and the ability to rearrange fields to their process and workflow preferences. Our goal at PaperClip is to have you work smarter, not harder. With PaperClip's VCF document management solution, we meet this goal by streamlining processes in one solution. VCF offers various platforms to meet any business industry need, from a basic solution to a fully customizable platform. Let VCF help you achieve the efficiencies required to take your organization to the next level.